Hello, welcome to the Tech Console Up channel. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about the best tech certifications to get in 2025/2026. The full list I'm going to be giving you guys today. And like I promised my previous video, that I'm going to be getting you the list of certification for people that are upcoming in tech that wants to stand out among others in the industry, because most people in the industry that wants to get into tech don't really take tech certifications. They just go ahead and take some online random online courses and just believe that some gets lucky actually to get into a tech jobs without certification. But in order to stand out, because a lot of demand and because there are a lot of people that are trying to supply their skills into the market now, because they are transiting from their current jobs into tech industry. So in order for you to stand out among all other people that are also applying, the millions of tech gurus or the tech guys that are out there that wants to go into tech, or that also want to start a career, or that also applying for the same job you are also looking for, to stand out, then you need some tech certification, which is what we are here to talk about today. And before we continue, subscribe to our channel. Click on the subscribe button now to also get more content about tech, and also to help us to like the video, to also push the video forward. So let's get started. The full list. So this particular list, it varies based on the tech role you want to, but the list I compile is for all, because I section it based on whichever tech areas you want to actually go into, which one you have interest in. But I'll be starting with the first one, which is the general IT or tech fundamentals. So if you are going to take general IT or tech fundamental, like a desk IT expert, or IT manager, or someone just like managing the system of the company, just like a basic stuff, not something like too complex, you need like a CompTIA A plus, which is more like a general entry IT certification, hardware and troubleshooting, network basic and the like, just like a basic computer stuff working in the company. Then you can see the Google IT support professional certificate, beginner friendly practical IT support skills and the like, Cisco certified technician, basic of networking and also troubleshooting Cisco devices. You can also see all these things are just like basic. So if that is what you want, just like you having, you don't really want to like go deep into like programming and the likes, but just like I just want to have some tech skills, like I said, maybe like IT manager, or the Dex IT, or all this kind of basic stuff. So the next one is a networking and system. If you want to go into networking, servers and the likes, then you need a certificate from Cisco. These are exam-based certificates. You have to like sit for the exam, pay for the exam fee, and pass, and then you get certified. Some of them are renewable every year, 2 years, 5 years, and some of them are for life, depending. So you just have to like copy this and just paste on Google to find where to do it. I will attach this file in the description. You can see the Cisco, this Microsoft certified Azure fundamentals, and the Linux essential, which is more like a core Linux skills, learning the basic of Linux language and then how to apply it, especially if you are going to ethical hacking, or maybe red hat or white hat and the likes. So you need that. The next one is a cloud computing, which is a very high in demand nowadays, because everything is being transit from the physical one to online, and looking at how this cloud computing, especially this era of AI, because most of all these AI models can be in the cloud, because they have more powerful machines over there to run some of these AI. And also in terms of data storage, a lot of things that is transiting to cloud now. You can even host a website on cloud. Your There's a lot of stuff now, so it is a big thing. It's like a very demand right now. It's a big thing right now. So you can see the Amazon WS certified cloud practitioner, Microsoft. These are the three major popular ones: Amazon, Microsoft, and Google. So you can see you have to get certification. If you get certificate, is a big deal for you. I'm telling you, if you get the certificate. The next one is cyber security. If you want to go to cyber security, you need a CompTIA Security Plus for basic entry level. certified ethical hacker for pen testing basics. All these all these more like an entry role. You understand? It's basically for people, like I said, for people that just want to get to tech but looking for certificate to do in order to stand out among others. Then the next one we have a programming and development. The Meta end developer certificate, like you learning HTML, JavaScript, especially for the software engineers. You get the point. We also have a Microsoft Technology Associate, which is for good, which is good for fundamental in software, basic also. We also have free code camp certification. So which is basically, this is more like for software engineers who are into for front end development or back end, and they need certifications to back their skills up. So this is recommended for you. And also you can see, if you are into data science, AI, machine learning and the likes, so you need all these ones, like the Google Data Analytics. This you can get this for free on Coursera. I had one. Microsoft Power BI Analyst Associate, I also had one. This is a professional certificate from Microsoft. You have to pay, I think you have B1 or B2 or something. Yeah, so yeah, you can also do that. I think it's about $200 or something. I've forgotten the price. They also have a TensorFlow developer certificate in machine learning. We have IBM AI engineering professional certificate. You can see it covers the ML and the AI workflow. So these are certificates if you are into data science, data analytics, machine learning engineers. This certificate for the entry roles, like I said, is very compulsory for you to stand out among others. Also, we have web design and web. Since you are also looking to web design, if you are looking to web design, you also have design and web. Like the Adobe certified professional ACP, Photoshop or Illustrator, Premiere Pro, for graphics works. HubSpot for great from web and marketing, those like mail marketing and the likes. So digital marketing related stuff. WordPress certified expert if you want to like web design, designing websites and the like using WordPress, Wix, uh, I'm Elementor and the likes, all those kind of plugins using designing websites. So these are the list, like I said, for the entry roles. So these are for people that just come into tech but looking for certification to dive into and to make them stand out among others while applying for a job. So I'm still going to be talking more about you working as a freelancer, maybe like on Upwork, Fiverr, because I have over 5 years of experience working on Upwork, and which I've earned about six figures in my Upwork, and which I'm also proud to actually mentor you guys. So that will be all for today, and we'll see you very soon in the next video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you soon.